Siku moja nitafanya bidii ili nipate maisha kama haya.
Mr. Manzi, you have been doing very well. We would like to position and train you in the kitchen. Thank you very much, sir. Tomorrow morning, report to the kitchen. I will be there. I will make sure I am early, sir. Chefs, please welcome Mans. This is Mr. Kubwa's son. Teach him well.
Hapa kujifunza ni kuangalia vile tunafanya sawa. Sawa mwalimu. Ndio utaelewa tu.
Remember, the presentation is key. Plate it carefully. Yes, chef, I'm using the microgreens for garnish. How's the fish coming along?
Almost ready, chef.
Good, let's keep the heat consistent.
Yes, chef.
Keep that heat steady for the base.
Yes, chef, it's simmering now.
Good, now add the herbs.
Right away.
Gentlemen, let's get this moving.
Yes, chef. The base is reducing now.
Good, watch the sides.
On it.
How is everything tasting?
It's absolutely delicious.
Best meal we've had here.
Thank you so much. This is fantastic.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
It's wonderful. So fresh.
It's all from the local
That
market.
one.
Mans, you have really grown. Take time off for a week, then return as the food and beverage supervisor next week. Welcome to the team. We're excited to have you. Thank you, sir. I'm thrilled to be here. Let's make great things happen.
The stew is ready.
It smells wonderful. Come, let us share.
It is good to be together. The harvest was plentiful this year.
Yes, and the children are growing strong.
We are learning much.
It is good. Karibu nyumbani mwanangu.
Asante mama, nimerudi salama.
I brought you some fresh food.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. Please join us.
Thank you.
Baba, nimepandishwa cheo. Sasa ni food and beverage supervisor.
Hongera sana mwanangu.
Mungu akubariki.
Sasa tutajivunia zaidi.
Asanteni sana familia yangu.
Mwanangu, nimekumisi sana.
Manziani ulizana another woman ukiwa shule.
Nini? Si kweli, mimi sikufanya hivyo.
Tafadhali tunetuambie ukweli.
Ungo, kila mtu anavyo.
Acha, mimi sijaona hiyo mwanamke.
Manzi, itabidi ule huyu mtoto wako. Mimi sikutangaa mtoto. Sasa wewe na bibi yako mtamulea. Mimi si mama yako. Utafanya kazi yote kwa hii nyumba.